This is the swimming pool of Eagle Ridge Country Clubhouse. That's the stairs leading to the slide for the swimming pool. Here comes my kids. Here's Shirley having a dip in the shallow area of the pool. There's Chanel, Gypsy. It's a beautiful place. Clean, fresh. My kids and I love it here. Actually, we're just invited for today. But the view is great, the wind's great, the sun is shining, and the kids are having fun. Go, Shirley! Wow! You like it? Beautiful pool.